everyone, Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar, and this is Tuesday morning, February 16th, just before the market open. If you haven't seen my videos before, Timeless Dollar is a place where I try to teach people how to trade S&P, Emini, and Micro Emini futures successfully and consistently. Now, let me just give you a caveat. I'm not promising, nor do I ever promise people that they will be successful as traders. Most traders who don't get a proper education, don't take the time to gain experience, they lose money. And if you're into trading, or if you think that you want to be a trader, please get an education first. Go to my site, timelessdollar.com, sign up for my course, or at least subscribe to my mailing list for some great information. If you trade, I don't want you to make money. Don't think you're going to make money. The most important thing, the first thing that you have to learn, that any new trader has to learn, is how not to lose money. That being said, let's get right into it. Market is trading at an all-time high. Let's look at the economic calendar today. Today, February 16th, Empire State Manufacturing Index came in way above the median forecast. Median forecast was 5.9. The actual figure was 12.1. So really, the economic numbers really reinforce the prices that the markets are reflecting. At any rate, let's go to the Investors Business Daily site. Again, we see the S&P, the markets really going on a almost 45-degree angle to the upside. And the headlines, Dow Jones today, futures rise amid stimulus. Remember, stimulus funds are going to be released soon, and that money is all going to flow into the economy. So that's going to juice the economy. Bitcoin nears $50,000. If you're a trader, you don't care about Bitcoin. Although, make note that big money interests are looking at this cryptocurrency as something that's really going to be a thing. Nevertheless, as traders, we are looking to make money on whatever is moving up or down. We could trade either way in the futures market. And looking at the CNBC website, the news here also is good. Energy prices rise for a number of reasons, but of course, economic factors mitigate toward higher prices. So that's reason to reinforce, to support the market exuberance as well. The only caveat here is in this headline, which is the only reason to be bearish is there's no reason to be bearish. Remember, when everyone else is looking up, some people are betting the other way. So if you're going to be trading today, just be cautious. Remember, all the good news doesn't necessarily mitigate for higher prices throughout the day. All that good news is baked into the prices already. So at any rate, this is Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar. And each day, if you sign up for my course, I do a video to show the high probability trading areas for the previous day. I can't do it for that day because my crystal ball doesn't show that much into the future. But I can show you and point out, for your experience, where the best entry and exit points were in order to be profitable. Marv Eisen, Timeless Dollar. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.